Many people who wrote exams in 2025 failed to answer this question. This question is extracted from the topic Earth Geometry. And I'll be solving the questions that they failed to solve so that should they come on an exam, you don't fail to answer them. Let's take a ride. So saying in the diagram, A, B, C, and D are points on the surface of the Earth. A, B, C, and D. Take pi to be 3.142 and the radius of the Earth to be 3437. And then they're saying calculate the length of the circle of latitude 52 degrees north. So here's the thing. Let's resolve this. For us to calculate the length of the circle of latitude 52 degrees, we need to write the formula, and the formula is circumference. If they ask you to find the length, they're asking you to find the circumference. And they've stated that you have to find the circumference of the latitude. So what you say is 2 pi r. But radius of the latitude is actually given by r cos theta. So we'll need to substitute this r with that. And the equation will become 2 pi r cos theta. This r is actually the radius of the Earth, and that's the one we've been given. It's in nautical miles. Then theta refers to the latitude, which is actually referenced. So in this case, it's 52 degrees, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to say circumference is equal to 2 times 3.142. It's been given that pi, right? Then radius of the Earth is 3437. And then cos theta is actually the latitude, 52 degrees. So circumference therefore is equal to, you punch these on the calculator and the answer will be 1329.7.12 nautical miles. And just like that, we've solved the first question, right? We can keep all these. We know pi is equal to 3.142 and radius is 3437, right? Let me write them there. All right, so radius of the Earth is equal to 3437, and then pi is equal to 3.142. We'll be referring to these as we solve the questions that follow. Let's resolve the second question. Question 2. They're saying calculate the distance BC. So we are calculating distance along the longitude, right? So how do we find the distance along a longitude? What you do is you make use of this formula. Distance is given by difference in latitudes times 60 times 60. Let's now collect the data, and we're saying we need to find difference in latitude. Since we are calculating distance along the longitude, we need to find the difference in latitudes. So point B is sitting on latitude 78, and then point A is sitting on latitude 52. Since these 2 points are in different hemispheres, we are going to add. So that will be 52 degrees plus 78 degrees. Difference in latitudes will be 8 plus 2, that's a 10, 7 plus 5, that's 12, plus 1, 130 degrees. So D is equal to 130 degrees times 60. Distance is equal to, when we multiply this, that will give us 7,800 nautical miles. We can as well apply a different method to resolving this, right? We can use this formula. Difference in latitudes over 360 times 2 pi r. This one will still give you the same answer as that one. If it will be different, there will be just a slight difference, just at the far end there. Okay, you can apply this one, you can apply this method. All right, let's now resolve question 3. They're saying calculate distance DC. All right, okay, since we are calculating distance along the latitude, we'll make use of this formula. So distance is given by difference in longitudes over 360 times 2 pi r cos theta, right? So now what we do is we resolve the difference in longitudes. Let me do that right from here. Difference in longitudes, we take note of the longitudes where they're sitting. There's longitude 43 and there's longitude 76. So that would be 43, and then we have 76 degrees. You might have a question, what do we do? Do we have to add or subtract? We take note of the hemispheres where those two longitudes are. This one is in the western hemisphere, that one in the eastern hemisphere. Hence, we are going to add them. So difference in longitude is equal to 6 plus 3, that's a 9. 7 plus 4, that's actually 11. So that's 119 degrees. That's the difference in longitudes, right? Now, after having done that, we can actually take note of pi. Pi was given as 3.142, and then the radius of the Earth is this one. That is 3437 in nautical miles. Then theta is actually the latitude where those two places are seated. So theta is equal to 78 degrees. We can now plug all those values into the equation. We say distance is equal to difference in longitudes has been determined as 119, then over 360 times 2 times 3.142, then times 34, 37, then cos theta, that's 78 degrees. Distance, therefore, is equal to, we can punch all these, right? We punch all these on the calculator, and we find the answer here. I'm going to pause, punch the calculator, we'll see if you're able to find the final answer. And then replay the video so as to counter check with the answer that I'm going to find. And the answer will be 1,484.36 nautical miles. Friends, this is how people are expected to resolve these questions. I'll be rolling out more videos of this nature, which are past paper based, so as to prepare you for exams. So what I want you to do is this: share this video with at least 10 people, and then make sure that you're subscribed and you've turned on the notification bell so as not to miss any video that I'll be rolling out. See you in the next video.